Wow, look at all of this! It is so busy today. Stay close to each other. It is very crowded.
Emma, I need you to stay with Tom while Mum and I look at the food stalls. Can you do that?
Yes, Dad. Tom, stay next to me. Emma, look! Cold lemonade. Can we get some? Yes. Wait here. I will be back in 1 minute. I am just standing here.
Hello, little boy. Do you like sports cars?
Yes, I love sports cars.
I have a very special car. A big one, just for you. It is in my van. Come with me quickly and I will give it to you.
My sister is here. I need to tell her?
It is a surprise. Don't tell anyone. We will be very quick. Come on.
Tom, where are you? Oh no, the stranger is taking Tom away. I must stop him right now. I cannot run anymore, but I can ride. Dad, emergency. A man took Tom. I am on a bicycle following the road south of the fun fair. Call the police right now.
We are calling right now. Emma, send your location.
Sending now. I am following clues on the road. Which way? Which way did they go? Right. They went right. The road ends here. Where do I go now? Come on, there must be another clue. Tom's shoe. They went to the dirt road. An abandoned warehouse. Maybe they came here.
Tom's bracelet. They definitely went inside that old warehouse.
Dad, old warehouse. 1 kilometer from the crossroads. Come now.
Police are 2 minutes away. Emma, do not go inside alone.
I want my mum. I want my sister. Please let me go.
Sit down. Stay quiet. Do not make a single sound.
Please let me go home.
I said quiet.
That window is broken. I can get inside through there.
Who is there? Is anyone out there? Police! Stop right there. Do not move. Okay, I give up. You are under arrest.
Tom, where are you? Tom, can you hear me? Tom! Emma, I am over here. Tom, I found you. Don't cry. You are safe now. I was so scared. You saved me. Thank you. Tom! Emma, are you okay? Tom, oh my boy, thank goodness you are safe.
You are a brave and smart girl, Emma. I am so proud of you. Tom, why did you go with that man?
He said he had a sports car. I wanted to see it. I was foolish.
Bad people use gifts and toys and sweets to trick children. Never go with a stranger. Not for anything.
I promise. I will never do it again.
Emma, you must never get too close to the danger alone. Next time, you should not act alone without an adult.
I understand, officer. I will.
All right, everyone. It's time to go home.